Welcome to our investor pitch. We are Group 62 and today we are excited to present a new venture from Blacksight. My name is Singh and my role in the presentation is product designing and user-centric innovation. And I'm going to explain about the problems and our solutions.
My name is Gogul and my role is market research and financial strategy. I'm going to explain about business models and target market of competitive advantage.
My name is Mohammad Hamza Shahid and in this presentation today my role is competitor analysis and strategic positioning, and today I will discuss that traction, financial and scalability.
My name is Vijay Vimal Ramanathan and my role is a marketing strategy and then brand narrative, and I am going to explain about scalability.
The transportation or storage of firearms is a critical issue for many consumers, whether they are sports shooters, hunters, law enforcement professionals, or firearms collections. There is a rising demand for high-quality, durable solutions that also offer ergonomic design and multi-rifle capacity. Current market offering are often bulky, poorly designed, or lack proper security measures such as impact protections, from a compartmentalization and compliance with international travel standards. Moreover, gun owners are increasingly aware to the risk associated with the theft and accidental damage during transit. This makes it essential to offer a more secure, well thought out solutions tailored to modern firearms users. So our solutions is our response to this market is a gap is newly engineering protective case that can carry up in a 4 rifle securely. Built using aircraft grade aluminum, this case is designed to be a lightweight yet extremely durable. It features a precision cut form and set to provide a customer-fitted support for each firearms. The case combines industrial strength, durability with a sleek, minimum design enhancing portability and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, it's a travel complement with the lock and hang stat meet both TSA airlines regulations. This product doesn't just meet functional needs, it resonates with the identity of users who demand premium quality and long-term reliability in their gear. Thank you.
Go. Our business model focused on two main revenue streams: direct to consumer and online sales, and distribution through to specialist of technical retailers. We aim to build partnerships with film clubs, outdoor sporting goods stores, and government or law enforcement department. In additional selling core productive cases, we generate revenue through branded accessories such as lock, decals from replacement. They are not extend the product life cycle but also enforce brand loyalty. We are also exploring the communication models where consumers we are personally their case. There are layered business model offers scalability and repeat purchase opportunities and align with consumer behavior famous space. Our target audience is composed of high intense famous users and value protection, organization and mobility. This includes sports shooters who attend competitions, hunters who need required gear for travels, and law enforcement professionals who carry firms and part of the daily responsibilities. Additionally, we appeal the collectors who want store, transport and investment security. Our market research shown significant opportunities both as US and UK markets. Established among users already invest high-end firms and accessories. Their consumer demand quality and willing buy for it, which align with our premium market position. Our go-to strategy of both multi-layered and highly targeted. We kick off the high-impact pressers expose the technical gears, trade shows, generate the industry buzz, and get direct feedbacks and the professionals. Produce Cambius website will be supported the paid social ads, infused partnership and SEO driven leading companies highlight the future of value in of case. Our messaging will focus on precision engineering, elite production, and the professionalist accessories and SWOT decision instructions. Named champions will be struggled across the pace, match protection capacity with build moments.
We have already achieved significant traction even before our full product launch. Early prototypes were tested by a group of 12 professionals and law enforcement, sports shooting clubs, and hunting communities. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive with 92% ratings our case superior to their current solution in terms of build quality, internal fit, and probability. Based on this, we have already received interest from the 3 region distributors, 2 in Texas and 1 in the UK Midland, who are eager to stock our case once per production scale. Additionally, we gained early exposure by showcasing a prototype at the Firm Tech Expo last month, where we featured in a spotlight segment for innovative gears. The traction validated not only market interest but also the quality of our engineering and strength of our branding. These early wins serve as a strong launchpad for broader marketing, push the confidence boost for investor breaking. Moreover, our financial plan is grounded in conservative but realistic projections, informed by early feedback and market research. In year 1, we forecast revenue of approximately to 80,000 with roughly 60% come from direct to consumer channel and remaining 40% from B2B wholesale accounts. Our premium pricing reflects the product high-end positioning and superior material, with each case retailing at the average of 350 pounds. Manufacturing and logistics have been carefully optimized to achieve a 60% gross margin, allowing us flexibility in promotions and B2B deals. With limited overhead and lean operations, we expect to break even by month 16. Year 2 and 3 will see growth through the expand SKUs accessory sales and licensing deals with projects annual growth of 35%. Investment at this stage will support tooling, initial marketing, and inventory buildup, all of which are necessary to meet anticipated demands and unlock our next growth phase.
Scalability is embedded in our product. Architecture is long-term strategy. Will our launched model focus on the 4 rifle case? Our design platform is modular, allowing us easy to enter the similar model. For the pistol is hybrid version for the technical gear and the accessories. We are already prototyping for the compact case for the 2 rifles and the version of optimizing for the drones and sensitive camera. Equipments are enabled to us expand into the adjustment market such as flaming and then wildlife research and the security tech. Additionally, we are planning to develop the listening model that allows the shooting clubs, law enforcement and the military organization to the co-brand case for the training or formal equipment. We are long-term planners including entering the EU and Canadian market, where demand for the secure, compact and transport solution is on the rise. With the global chain partners and then scalable market manufacturing setup, we are prepared to meet the demand as well grow while maintaining the brand reputation and the highly reliability. Our team brings together a diverse mix of talents, experience and the shared position of innovation and then design. Bhupinder lead the design and technical development side of the project, applying a design thinking methodology to prototype functionally, ensure the case of durability and the align product features with the user needs. Google focus on the market research and the financial forecasting, playing a key role building in the realistic projection and shaping the business model. Mohammed lead the competitive analysis and help the position the brand with the industry, ensuring the differentiation of the both product and the purchasing. Myself manage the marketing and strategy, create a strong brand narrative outlining of the market plan. As a team, we collaborate together each person as of the design thinking process, empathy with the users. Define the core problem, identify creative solution, and testing them through feedback. Together, we will build the brand business strategy. We believe the real world potential and investor appeal. Thank you for your attention and the interest of the pitch Blacksight gear insert in the entering the firearm production market with the bold and innovation product. One of the reflect our commitment to the design of excellence, customer insight. Our operational precision is not just a case; it is a statement of the firearm user driven. Smart design of reflective production and then aesthetic approval with the proven market and demand, strong early traction and then talent team ready to scale. We are confident this product will be disrupt the market, become the trust choice among the professionals. We are seeking the strategic partner and the innovator who see the potential in the compacting craftsmanship with the cutting edge innovation. Joining us the launching a new era of the firearm production, one defined by excellence, safety and thoughtful engineering.